Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys something simple today. I said today twice, I think. Anyways, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a triangle out of the Polygon tool on Adobe Illustrator. So let's just start with this letter. Select shapes and then go to the Polygon tool. Instead of dragging a shape here to create the shape that it was intended for, which is a hexagon, you're going to select just like the canvas, and then instead of having 6 sides, you're going to select 3 sides and then press OK. You can kind of like adjust how many sides you want for the polygon as well here. It's one just like, okay, you can't do one obviously, but I'm actually curious. Okay, so the minimum is 3. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.